Hey, my friend, I want to invite you on this daily challenge that I'm on. So far, it's a 7-day challenge. I joined this community and they've given us some excellent homework and check marks to do, and it's a 7-day challenge. So I know at least I'm going to do 7 videos to let you know about this journey. And before I share this journey with you, I want to tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Rhonda Kay. I love that name. It just is my first and middle name, and it just, every time I mention it, it really brings up good memories, good joy. So that's how and why I present myself as Rhonda Kay. For the last 26 years, I have been running a college prep program. I help students graduate high school, go to college, and get a college degree. Also, prior to that, I fundraised for a major nonprofit. And prior to that, I recruited students to attend a university. So I've been in the education, secondary, post-secondary, and nonprofit industry for about 30 years, 33 years. And if I had to sum up what I do without carrying on anymore and boring you, but if I had to sum up, I would say that I help people navigate complex systems, intimidating systems like going to college or mental health, or it's whatever system that you're trying to get into, legal system. I help people navigate those. There's some kind of way that I can bring it down to a practical, pragmatic way. So that's a little bit about my professional. Personal, that's pretty much it. I have 2 children. They're adults. I love them. Yes. I love to read. I love to line dance. I love to have fun. And the season that I'm in my life, it has to be calm and grounded. So what does that have to do? And I'll share a little bits and pieces of myself throughout this journey. I don't want to bore you. But what brought me here to making these posts? Why did I join a community? Well, I was looking for a realistic, low stress way on how to learn something and earn extra income, all while I'm working full time. Okay? And that's what brought me here to you. I didn't want something that was going to cause me to be on a lot of Zooms, a lot of conference calls, because my job is pretty much high demand and high achieving. And because I'm not in a position right now that I want to quit my job, I do need something that's going to work alongside it, right? And more importantly, work while I'm working. So that's what I'm here. And how I'm doing this extra income thing is I purchased a digital product that came with what's called like a reseller's license, and I customized it. I made it my own. It took me no time to do. You can do this within 24 hours. And I mean, if you just have no time at all, it's definitely something that you can do within a weekend. But it's not going to take you that long. It's like 6 steps, okay? But I purchased this product, I customized it, I edited it in Canva, so that made it really easy. And I learned some things as I was editing it, because there were some things that I didn't know how to do, but the videos took me through it. So after a few hours, I had my own product. I created me a free store at Beacons. I uploaded that product, and now only thing I'm left with now is sharing it with you, sharing it with other people who may resonate with my story. You're over 50, you don't want to deal with a whole bunch of mess, but you're over 50, you're in your career, you're still working your career, you want to learn some things, you want those skills to be transferable, and you want to be more in control of empowering yourself and more in control of financial empowerment as well, earning extra income. So if that's you and that resonates with you, I want you to follow along on this journey with me. I want to get to know you. I want you to get to know me as well. Like, subscribe, share, right, this journey. And what else? If you want to see that customizable product that I customized, not created. I customized it and made it my own, and now I'm able to resell it over and over. Click the link in the video description and you'll be able to see that. Yes and yes. All right, my friend, many blessings, and I'll see you on the next video post.